In this video, I'll consider one numerical on Z and Y parameters. Determine Z and Y parameters of the network shown below. This is the given network. We need to calculate Z parameters and Y parameters of this network. So in this network, we can observe that this is voltage at this port is V1 and voltage at this port is V2. Here current I1 is flowing, here current I2 is flowing. Here we have a current dependent voltage source and here we have voltage dependent current source. I will solve this using loop analysis method so that the calculation will become simpler. Here current I1 is flowing, it means in this loop current I1 is flowing, that is in this loop current I1 is flowing. Here I2, it means in this loop current I2 is flowing. Let current through this loop is say I3. So we can say I3 is equal to 2V3 because this is current source. Here we can see that V3 is nothing but V3 will be equal to voltage across 2 ohm resistor, that is 2 I1 plus I2. So first I will try to find the Z parameters for this circuit. That is Z parameters equation are given by, that is Z parameters equations can be written as V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. V2 will be equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Let me call it as equation A. This is equation B. So now I will solve this problem using loop analysis method so that the solution will become simpler. That is, let me apply KVL to loop I1. That is, apply KVL to loop I1. So I can write V1 is equal to voltage across this is 1 into I1. This will be plus 3I2 plus voltage across this is 2 in bracket I1 plus I2. Or I can write V1 is equal to 1 I1 plus 3 I2 plus 2 I1 plus 2 I2, or I can write V1 is equal to 1 I1 plus 2 I1 is 3 I1. This will be 5 I2. Let me call it as equation 1. So now let me compare equation 1 with A, that is compare equation 1 with equation A, so that we can write here V1 is equal to 3 I1. It means Z11 is equal to 3 and Z12 is equal to 5. We can write Z11 is equal to 3 ohm and we have Z12 is equal to 5. Z12 is equal to 5 ohm. So we found two parameters. So now let me apply KVL to loop I2. That is, apply Kirchhoff's voltage law to loop I2. So we can write V2 is equal to voltage across 2 ohm resistor is 2. We have I2 minus I3, I2 minus I3 plus 2. We have I1 plus I2. Let me simplify. V2 is equal to 2I2 minus 2I3 plus 2I1 plus 2I2, or I can write V2 equal to 2I1. This 2I2 plus 2I2 is plus 4I2 minus 2. So I3 is equal to 2V3. So V3 is nothing but 2 into I1 plus I2. So I can write I3 is nothing but 2V3. That is, we have into 2V3 or I can write V2 equal to 2I1 plus 4I2 minus 4V3. So V3 is nothing but 2 in bracket I1 plus I2. Let me simplify this further. So I can write V2 equal to, we have 2I1 plus 4I2 minus 4, we have 2I1 plus I2, that is this 4 into 2, that is into 2I1 plus I2. So I can write V2 equal to 2I1 plus 4I2 minus, this is 8I1 minus 8I2, or I can write V2 equal to, so here 2I1 minus 8I1 is minus 6I1, 4I2 minus 8I2 is minus 4I2. Let me call it as equation 2. So now let me compare equation 2 with equation B. We can see that Z21 is nothing but minus 6, Z22 is nothing but minus 4. Therefore I can write Z21 is equal to minus 6 ohm, Z22 is equal to minus 4 ohm. So thus we found the Z parameters, that is Z parameters are Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22, and thus we found Z parameters. So here it is asked to calculate Y parameters also. Already Z parameters we have calculated. Now let's calculate Y parameters. Now to calculate Y parameters, directly I will use interrelationship formula between Z and Y. That is, so I can write Y11, we know that Y11 is equal to Z22 by delta Z. So delta Z is determinant of this matrix. Let me calculate delta Z, that is delta Z is equal to 3 into minus 4 minus 5 into minus 6, that is 3 into minus 4 minus minus 6 into 5, that is delta Z is equal to minus 12 plus 30, that is delta Z is equal to 18. So here I can substitute Z22 is minus 4 divided by 18, which is nothing but minus 2 by 9 mho. Similarly, we have Y12 is equal to, the formula is minus Z12 divided by delta Z. So Z12 is 5, that is 5 minus 5 by 18. We have Y21 is equal to minus Z21 by delta Z, which is equal to, so Z12 is minus 6, this is minus will become plus 6 by 18, which is nothing but 1 by 3. Finally, Y22 is equal to, we have Z11 by delta Z. So Z11 is 3 by 18, which is nothing but 1 by 6. So therefore I can write Y is equal to Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22 parameters, which are equal to, we have minus 2 by 9 minus 5 by 18, we have 1 by 3, and we have 1 by 6. The unit is mho. Thus we calculated Z and Y parameters for the given circuit. Thank you for watching.